My name is Mahmoud Akrubi. Let Mr. Father Emdadullah Kabrat as a genius person in the world. Amra Sundar, Amra Shishu, Eshu Gai, Jibonir Gan. এই অপরূপ পৃথিবী সাজাতে আমাদেরও আছে অবদান আমরা চাই অধিকার
Assalamu alaikum. We are coming from Association for Save the Forest organization. Today we are introducing a lady. She is from Nashindi. We are about to know about our organization. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
How are you?
Excellent.
And you are coming here. How is you feel?
I am always frank and free. I ought to like my Bengalism. I ought to like my golden Bangladesh.
Please introduce us about you.
My name is Mahmoud Akrubi. Let Mr. Father Emdadullah Kabrat as a genius person in the world.
What is the name of your fathers?
Emdadullah Kabrat, master of football in the world, master of swimmer in the world. He is honorable person, neutral politician, Army Muslim League, General Secretary, Bangla Bhasha Andolon এবং ঢেঁড়স আন্দোলনের lead planner.
Okay, very good. Please tell me some about our Association for Save the Forest. What do you feel by our organization?
I always feel for my needy Bangladesh, but Bangladesh no needy. There is some criminal as a systemic way lost our everything.
Okay.
I ought to like my children and mother, good children, no never know. Genius parents for imperial world.
Okay, very good. And we are also know that one thing. You are as a mother. How do you feel?
Very so much feelings in this way. Here is mother, here is children.
Okay. Now one thing. Our country have so many old home. So do you want to think in future you want to go old home?
This is one type peculiar system.
Yes.
This is one type abnormal system.
Abnormal system in our country. What do you think? This old home system in our country is good for nation or not?
I want to say here is illiterate person. There is a little learn is very dangerous thing. Grassroots level equal to fully met.
Okay, very good. And the last question, all of our style. You are mother, and you tell us something about our all style. What do you think?
I am শিশু অধিকার ন্যাশনাল শিশু অধিকারের প্রতিষ্ঠাতা আমি।
Wow, very good.
শিশু অধিকার গানগুলো আমি লিখেছি যেমন
Can you sing a song?
আমরা সুন্দর আমরা শিশু এসো গাই জীবনের গান এই অপরূপ পৃথিবী সাজাতে আমাদেরও আছে অবদান আমরা চাই অধিকার
Very good. Yeah, you should.
হানাহানি যুদ্ধ পৃথিবী শুদ্ধ যুদ্ধটা বন্ধ করো অস্ত্রটা ফেলে দিয়ে হাতে তুলে নাও না বাসি।
Wow, very good and mind blowing.
ইচ্ছে করে হাতটা তোমার ধরি কাছে এসো দুজন মিলে গল্প স্বল্প করি। না ছোট্ট বাবু আমার ছিল না তুমি মালিক আমি চাকর সে কি জানো না।
Wow, very good. I am really appreciate to her. I have last question. Association for Save the Parents. What do you think of our organization? Can do something?
Every organization by the people, for the people, for the country, by the country.
But this organization is the exceptional.
I have some non-government organization. I ought to like any kinds of in this way.
Because I am organization worker, and I never see in the world no have any this like this organization.
শুধু মাকে বললে না তো সাথে তো বাবাকেও বলতে হবে।
Definitely.
কিছু পেয়েছি তোমার কাছে যে তুমি আমার বাবা যে।
Thank you so much for give me so many information and give me your company, and we are lots of things, and thank you so much for coming here, and we are also appreciate you. Thank you.
Say a lot everybody.
Thank you.